Hey everyone, have you ever wondered who has been checking out your featured collections on Facebook? Well, wonder no more. Today I'm here to show you how to uncover the mystery and find out who has been viewing your featured collections. Let's dive right in. First thing, open up your Facebook app on your mobile device or head to the Facebook website on your computer. Please make sure you are already logged into your profile. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile and scroll down until you reach the featured collection sections. Please press the three-line menu button in order to reach your profile. Now visit your profile and scroll down. There you see collection. Now tap on the collection section to reveal the three-dot menu icon. Now as I tap on my collection, you can clearly see three dot available on the top. Please press on it. And there you go. There is a section labeled viewers or audience. Depending on Facebook's interface, you may be able to see a list of individuals who have interacted with their collections. As mine says zero viewers, it means I have not been reached out yet. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now go ahead and dive into your insights to see who has been admiring your featured collections. Thanks for watching. Happy exploring.